Come test drive the 2023 Rogue. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power brakes, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, leather upholstery, leather trim seats, heated seats, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, Wi-Fi hotspot compatible, audio, internet radio, Pandora, keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Nissan meets or exceeds comprehensive criteria and passes a rigorous inspection. We look at everything with meticulous detail before admitting any vehicle into the Nissan Certified program. See your Nissan dealer to find the certified pre-owned vehicle that's right for you.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.